buckle belt.
Hear the new
Boom, boom, boom. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're back with another reaction for you guys. So guess who we have today? We have Prince Swanny, Crazy and Evil. It just dropped. Like, it just dropped like 42 minutes ago, but I'm really busy. We did try to get the car tint up and thing. Yeah, and that's like, from inside, you don't say not look like a tin, but yeah, we just do it. It doesn't know chopping a new car and thing. But anyways, we can see what going for the song in the people. You see, I say it's a music video and some I like it. I like when it's a music video and the song at the same time. No, that's what I talk about. We can see what going for the song Crazy and Evil. Tear up the like button and comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. We can see what going on. Hand tune. People dead. Z-Tech Records. Alright then.
Tech Life.
You hear the instrumental? Hold on now. You hear the instrumental? I bury all time in the people that know, so no one of them impression there. But people that know that. People dead, right, June? Man, I'm march out from black.
With my dance friends.
What?
March on the men's with my dance friends.
What? Then?
March on the men's die.
Yeah.
March on the men's.
Watch for them ends with what? Well, and pause. Slow motion. I want a big batty girl. And the first thing I'm going to do in history. This is not a big batty girl at work, people. I want to style here. It's not a big batty girl at work, watch her. And that if a big batty girl at work. And me a slow motion the video. Tell me in trouble. Go back in the normal. Go on. Buckle belt.
Hear the new rifle bus coming from a winter link.
No, hold on, pause. At the video we are react to. You might blade up the man now after the man them done back on the men's. You might go on the man over a grenade. Contagious blade. Swan Dan. Crazy and Evil. That's what the song is called. People. Run tune.
Shark even pull up with it in a tin car.
Yeah.
Pass me the Mackie with black and silver. Ryan make every man turn into a sprinter.
You hear that? The man are gonna make everybody turn a sprinter. Like shout out to Sprinter. I say shout out to Jamaican show Sprinter on Netflix and you can go watch it for free. Yes. But voila, no pause, that don't go on.
Them fingers only hurt on the Insta Z-Tech man, you know we have a trigger finger.
But what?
45
Hey,
chop like a D.
Me nah lie, you know. Watch Ben's boss. Watch Ben's
On
boss.
the Insta Z-Tech man, you know we have a trigger finger.
Watch Ben's boss. In the load up video, I think. Is it the load up video? No, not load up video. What video the name? Watch our video, Mr. Ben's boss in the like a gun. Hey, you know ever have some unique. Watch him. When you hear music video, the Ben's boss, we are wait to. We say drop a song and we say drop a other people. Me want something. No one want to react to it, me soon have a reaction for that. You see me I say? But we want music videos. But go on.
Got big 45, we chop like a ninja. When the nozzle open up, everybody injure.
Sure.
And then we wait for this body them to see it.
Sleep, him alright. He must sleep a little bit. But dog I say I'm waiting for the squad them to see it, dog. Yo, go on.
Benz rolling with my bad freak. Always fooling me now fi left my steel. Cause the pussy don't chat about the mawa with me.
Sure.
Team with the pan, many G2 sizzling.
How want with it done? No, one and pause. What call that chat? How want go on a minute, man? I get sweaty. We are sweat. I don't know why, but turn on the AC a little bit. Yo, me a sweat. Who want with it done? Go on.
Couple my dogs on the bad car remove out the bone here, then the bees and the seas. Yo, Hakim rise every tall thing. March when the men's don't make nobody.
No, I'm gonna start. I start counting too much come see them video now after nowadays, you know, because I'll be a backside gonna go on. I don't know what go on, you know. It's like all I wish video react to that recently. Tappy bars video, but all the girl them have gone. Still finding girl with the big batty do, no. But it's like no man, the gun movement I move to Russia now, man. Go on.
The pussy them long time ready for this. All of my mad dogs do them love drills. Some a take lines, some a pop pills.
No, we not promote that line something there. We not promote that pill something there either. None at all. Straight kush. No line, you see me I say, no coke, no pill. Straight kush we say. Well, AC is not moving the right direction. Alright. But no line, no pill. And intermission time, yo! Out the TV, people. August 28th, Instagram live, 11 o'clock Trinidad time. People dead! Trinidad versus Jamaican dancehall music, Trinidad movie. See me I say? Tune in for the live. Go and go follow it up on Instagram right now. Rent up. You me I say? Let me reach 4,000 subscribers, 4,000 followers for Instagram before the clash. 28, with the 3,900 right now. 100 more. Let's go. But we're in tune.
Yes, and even no fuck when you see me and my team them pulling up. Tell the pussy them in a
I'm never hear it all like the AC I'm also grimy dog. Go on.
me and my team them pulling up. Tell the pussy them in a take talk a road. Only she bully, Sparta mode.
Hear that? How the Babylon them come try to stop Prince Swanny car. Hey Babylon, Prince will not take that chat from them. Man not take that chat from them now, no. And that's what the man care for. No chatting the man not take, man on the pan. Go on!
No Mariah Road, and if a boy want this, then him die road. The boy them a chat, the boy them a chat.
Nah,
Now them a
feel
go
watch him energy. He might feel a song. He might feel a song. He might sing a song from him heart. Somebody this Prince Swanny? Again? Who is Prince Swanny? Who I go on a Trinidad now, dog? On the feeling the bomb back reaction boss, man. How I go on, I don't know, but I just sing the man a sing. Cause the facial expression as the movement, they it don't look like I sing alone, the man a sing in the dog. Get me I say. But go on.
Rise every rifle. Make we all them boy candle. And then we wait for the squad them to see it.
Yeah.
Circle lemons rolling with my bad freak.
Yeah.
Always fooling me now left my.
That's rolling with him bad freak. Man say keep funny and them like what motive we can go? They say man wait for the squad them to see it. Sometimes I make the song then different in the dog. Youth! Go on!
I still call the pussy don't chat about the mawa with me. 15 with the pan, many G2 sizzling. Couple my dogs on the bad car remove. Out the
My
one
question
head
for
and the
those
bees.
people. So why every video I Trinidad? Most of the video them. I think one couple two and you all have the gas on them to react. So most of the video them react from Trinidad dog. Be a gun. Why? Why? More know why? Why?
And the seas, yo, Hakim rise every tall thing. March when the men's don't make nobody see it. Leave everything flat, no murder witness.
Alright, you're 30.
Big up doing now. You see me?
Big up on yourself, thank you for checking out my reaction. As you may say, big up on yourself, like up the video. As you may say, spam the like button, drop the fire emoji for the song, but how much you give the song out of 10? Rate the song from 1 through 10. As you may say right now, it's alright. Me say I give it a 9, and then me say much you not get a song. You see me I say 1 through 10, great the song. Go on. Song bad, video bad, but most of know why gun them for always outside and the girl them outside. Why? You see me I say, let me know. But for me, it's a 9. Wanna say, give me it in the comment section. I'm out.